I play in Portugal for Todiense. I'm working on that pronunciation. I midfield.
I'm Lacey and Money, Central Methodist in Missouri, and I play ragtime.
I'm Abigail Abel. I'm attending the University of Maine at Fort Kent. I play center back or six.
Christina Salmon, I attend William Carey University, and I play center forward.
I'm Javane Jones. I go to school at Multnomah University and I'm the goalkeeper.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Zoe. I play at George Mason. I'm a center back, outside back, or wherever coach needs me to be. Anywhere he needs me to be. Basically.
George Mason, okay.
Hi, my name's Aaliyah Morgan. I also play at George Mason and I'm keeper.
Keeper. So who kept in the game? She did, okay.
I'm Malike. I'm a defender. I play in Denmark for Albi.
Great.
Hi, I'm Sydney Street. I play at Seneca College and I'm a winger. I'm forward.
Okay.
Hi, Shayne Nelson, left back company.
Cavalier.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Malika Keen. I play center back at Slavia Praha in Czech Republic. Hi, I'm Akira James. I'm a winger and I play in France for Rodez.
Where do you play?
In France for Rodez.
I'm Lauren. I'm also a center back and I play for the University of Maryland, Baltimore County.
Hi, I'm Melissa Johnson. I play as a forward in England.
What do you say?
And you just won the Champions Cup, right?
Okay.
My name is Rashad Walker. I'm a forward and I play at LaSalle University.
The goal scorer.
She's so okay.
My name is Dr. Atkinson. I attend Seaward Community College. I play center forward and I play for Fraser's.
Fraser's. All right.